Ever have a Casio or any other watch that when you press the button, there's no beep? And you turn the signal on and it's still no beep? I'll show you how to sort that out. First, you turn the back of the watch and we have to remove the back cover. There's normally 4 screws. And what you find is here is the piezo spring is missing. So the piezo spring goes in here. And when the spring touches this part here on the back plate, that is what causes the beep. So this here, if you can see that, is a piezo spring. And if you want to know where the piezo spring goes, is normally, so you're going to see lots of holes in here. You've got one here, one here, one here. But you're going to say, which one does it go in? And it's normally the one with, let me zoom in right here and you can see it, is normally the one with a collar around here. You see the little plastic collar that goes around? The rest of them won't have that, just have a straight bore hole. The ones with a collar around the hole, that is the ones where the spring goes. And all you have to do is get your spring, put it in the hole like this, fit your rubber ring again, that's the seal to stop any water getting in. Fit your plate over, put your screws back in, and we've got the beep. Don't forget to do the rest of the screws up. And here we are. Back to the beep. Follow for more fun tips.